Looks good from up here, but again, I'm in the shallow end surrounded by bikinis. Punch it, chicken. Let's go vintage stock car racing on a Saturday night. I mean, he's drafting you and you don't even know it because you can't see him. Blue Shadow. The vintage stock car main event winner here at Havasu 95 Speedway this evening. And again, please let the PD know that the Blue Shadow will be going home and these other cars will be going home. Don't pull over the brake light king. Open the coupe door, back, punch it, chicken, here come the modifieds. Eddie, get right to the back bumper of Brucker. Knock, knock. I'm still there, dude. Eddie keeping Steven honest. He's now added a 1/10 of a second to his lead. The OGLG putting it on the young man here so far at Havasu 95 Speedway in the 602 Modifieds. As Steven Brucker chasing Grandpa Gershman with fast Eddie Secord behind him, 4th place. And let's see Gershman's lead now, almost 2 seconds on Steven Brucker. Do not tell me that 25 can't just roll out, show up, and go, I'm still here, ladies and gentlemen. Your first winner in the mods, Larry Gershman. Steven Brucker 2nd, Eddie Secord 3rd. Always involve sprint cars on a Saturday night, if you ask this announcer. I'm just saying. I love them. I love them to death. Green flags out, punching chickens. Let's go some heads up sprint car racing on a Saturday night here at Havasu 95 Speedway. What are we? This is slated for 87 laps. All right, about 15 and change second laps. Oh, we could have a new leader. Look at that move on the high side. Does it stick? No, it doesn't stick. We're here. Not enough time and not enough heat in those tires would be pass on that last lap. That's why. Nitromethane powered rocket ships on the clay. This is what you saved all the change in your sofa for, was to see these cars. I know we brought 3 of them. We can only get 3. We can only get that many approved by the state law, you know. These things are, man, they don't even run nitrous. It's just nitromethane, full bore, full dump. They just go, man. It's a beautiful thing. And the 767, Zane Davis, 21 Racing. Also screwing up Jack Plante's dad's chances of retirement, according to his driver profile, which I can appreciate that. We're pretty proud of that. White flag was out. And Plante coming by, should see the checkers out. Yes, indeed. Jack Plante the 3rd going to win. Second of the twin 25s. Grandpa Gershman won the first one. Can he do it again? Punch it, chicken. Here come the modifieds. Steven Brucker says, nah, I'm the champ right now, man. I want to win one of these tonight. Sorry, Larry. Larry says, well, I'm right here, dude. I'm not going anywhere. Gershman. Brucker, nice save by your champ, Steven Brucker. Brucker maintains the lead. Holy moly. Havasu 95 Speedway, you saw one of the best saves of the season right there. Holy moly. Brucker's still leading. Eddie Secord got one of the two in front of him. I told you if they got into it, Secord was going to win big on that thing. Eddie Secord doing a great job pinning his number 84 to the low side. He's got enough of a run, but now Gershman's pointing his nose underneath, and now there's a battle for second. New second place as they go out of two. Larry Gershman back up to second. Eddie Secord back to third. Still chasing the champ, Steven Brucker. Gershman, the OGLG, to get in underneath him. Gershman puts the chrome horn to him. Secord puts the chrome horn to Gershman. Gershman to the infield. We stay green. We stay green. Yellow is out. I love him so much, I say, open that chicken coop door and let's punch a chicken. And we got 5 laps of this main to figure it out. Who's the top dog on the second 25? The OGLG won the first one. Brucker, I think, as he's your reigning champ, wants this second one bad. Rolling as handsomely as he looked all evening, ladies and gentlemen, coming out of turn number 4, your second Twin 25 winner, Steven Brucker, the champ. Eddie Secord second. Dave Arcee going to come home with that third podium spot. Larry Gershman got up to 4th. Rolling out of 4, punch a chicken. Here come the Dwarf cars. Your McCatlin Electrical Dwarf cars. Noah Morris in that third spot, doing everything he can to try to catch Damon Sheets. Sheets doing a good job of keeping that second position held down because he is not gaining on Mark Pollock at all right now. Advantage. Damon Sheets relegated to third. New second place, Noah Morris at the line. Morris now, as he gets around Sheets, setting his sights on the 71. Both the Morris boys working the mid-groove, and it's starting to come to them. Noah and Micah. Noah in second, Micah in fourth. The Morris boys starting to work the high side. This could pay off in the long run, but the long run's coming shortly. This car off. Pulled that car off of the track surface. I will double check who that was. I think it may have been Bob Hooker. Oh, we got one blowing up. Oh, man, I think it's the 99 of Shane Lindenberger. Shane Lindenberger blowing up. The 99 pulls off to the dirt. We are yellow. Oh, I think we may have some oil down. Does Morris have something for him? I think Mr. Noah Morris in that 3X may have something for Mr. Pollock. We are going to see here, ladies and gentlemen. 5 to go. Figure out who wins this main event. Punch it, chicken. Here come the Dwarf cars on this restart. Can he get it to stick? No. Mark Pollock going to win. Your Dwarf car main event here. Your McCatlin Electrical Dwarf cars. Mark Pollock, Noah Morris, Damon Sheets, Micah Morris, Mike Cash, and Bob Hooker. A beautiful Saturday evening. Thanks for spending it with us. We're going to reward you with the Can-Am Sprints. Punch it, chicken. Here come the sprint cars. Now we got ourselves a good battle in the Can-Am sprint cars between Levi Rose and Matthew Stevenson. Rose has the lead. Stevenson comes back. Behind them, Bill Lawrence and Chris Schmelsley trying to figure out the third and fourth position. Great battle going into one with your leaders. Levi Rose leading Matthew Stevenson. Stevenson in the 15, Rose in the 65. Meanwhile, still a good battle up front. Is Levi Rose leading Matthew Stevenson, Chris Schmelsley, and Bill Lawrence. Schmelsley on the high side now for second, trying to get around Stevenson. Stevenson says no. Stevenson on the bottom there, going into turn number 1. Schmelsley on the high side. Chris Schmelsley punches it chicken. Does he keep a good head of steam in 3? Yes, he does. Does it rotate in 4 and turns? It does well, but not good enough. It's still Stevenson and Schmelsley at the line. Can Schmelsley get close enough to maybe use a pit maneuver? He's running out of laps if he's going to do it. Lap flag out. Levi Rose is feeling it. He says, oh, that's good, but Chris Schmelsley is right there. If Rose makes a mistake, Schmelsley on the high side. Watch Chris Schmelsley for the win, ladies and gentlemen. Levi Rose pulls it out over Chris Schmelsley. Holy moly, ladies and gentlemen. 0.003 seconds was the difference.